What if there were a place where you could go to restore your self-esteem, boost your self-confidence, and learn how to harness the power of personal style by learning how to build a beautiful wardrobe on a budget, customized to your body shape, your lifestyle, your budget, and learn how to fall in love with the woman in the mirror? What if there were an event like that taking place somewhere in the world? Well, my friend, I happen to know the very date and location of said event. If you're done feeling frumpy and frustrated, if you're done wasting time on money on shopping, or you hate shopping, if you're done waiting for the wait and feeling overlooked and not taken seriously, if you are ready to get up, dress up, and live up to the calling that is to be a bold light on a hill, then this event is for you. There are several legitimate reasons why women play small, dress down, and blend into the background. And one of them is waiting for the wait. We are so hateful toward what we see in the mirror that we withdraw from life-sustaining daily activities. Another reason is that women take such good care of everybody else, their business, their community, their marriage, their children. Another key reason why women dress down and start blending into the background is depression after divorce. Being blindsided by a request for divorce and then suddenly living a life alone with no vision, no future, no clue. And that often leads directly into having to get back into the marketplace, having not worked or worked in your specialist field for a very long time, competing with new skills, new talent, new technology. And that creates a problem around money, honey. Hating shopping because you don't know where to go, to which brand, to find what, in what color, at what price, how to wear it. Even those highly skilled, really experienced women in the marketplace are being overlooked and not taken seriously. And that is resulting in all kinds of missed opportunity and missed income. These and several other reasons result in women hating what they see in the mirror, hating their self-image, not putting on a swimsuit to go and swim or play on the beach with their kids or grandkids. They withdraw from life-sustaining activities such as even going to the doctor, wanting to get outside and lose weight and get fit and healthy, but too ashamed to go to the gym and work out alongside other women who are in tiny tip-top shape. It results in loneliness, it results in isolation, it results in depression and even suicide. This knocks a woman's self-esteem, her self-confidence, it knocks her energy, her productivity, her income, and it completely knocks her influence, her ability to contribute something of beauty and value to her corner of the world. What if I could take you to that place where it shows you how to no longer wait for the wait, how to understand your body shape, how to dress it, and how to walk out your front door knowing that you nailed it? What if I took you to that place that would show you how to take care of yourself as well as you take care of everybody else? Because after all, it says, love your neighbor as yourself, right? When you're on the airplane, take care of yourself first and put your oxygen mask on before others. There's a reason for that. There is a way to prioritize yourself that has got nothing to do with self-care or being selfish. It's actually biblical wisdom. What if I could introduce you to some amazing, beautiful, powerful women who have overcome the loss and the heartbreak of divorce and have created for themselves a beautiful vision of how to live the rest of their lives as the best of their lives? What if at that same place I introduced you to some stats and some facts around your money, how much you are actually spending on shopping when you think that it's zero, how to identify a percentage budget per month so that slowly but surely over time you can build a beautiful wardrobe that is simplified, organized, and systemized that completely supports who you are on the outside and the inside? What if at this very special place I could teach you how to dress on the outside in a way that will reflect the woman on the inside, so that you are no longer not taken seriously and overlooked, but in fact that your opinion, your expertise, your valuable input is sought after first in your workplace and in your personal life. At this very special place, you will learn how to understand and apply the capsule wardrobe. What are the staple pieces? In what color? Where do you find them? Exactly at what price? And which are the most reputable and recommended brands? What kind of fabric, the one fabric, should you be avoiding? What is quality over quantity? How do I apply that to my life and to my style? and with community, a like-minded community of amazing, powerful, beautiful women who perhaps were once where you are today, but now are getting up, dressing up, and living a confident, beautiful, bold life. What if I could introduce you to a specialist in this field, someone who has worked and lived all over the world, somebody who has 35 plus years global marketplace experience, somebody who is more passionate and dedicated to your success and celebrating and seeing your spirit of beauty in the world than anybody else you'll ever meet. Well, if we haven't met yet, friend, I am that confidence coach, and I'm coming to Dallas, Texas in June 2024. And I'm coming to light a fire on that stage with you and for you. I help women to build a beautiful wardrobe on a budget, customized to their body, their personality, their lifestyle. We talk hair, makeup, boobs, bras, and bling. We talk color coding. There is a much simpler way than this color coding that is out there. The confusing, complex, what color is for me? What season am I? I have got a powerful, simple way that's going to help you with that. We talk about the color red, why you need that. We talk about the facts and stats of the fashion industry and how that impacts you and is even influenced by you. We're going to be talking about fashion rules and why you should not be following them. We're going to be talking about fashion in the bedroom. If you are someone who has suffered any kind of physical, emotional, or sexual abuse, as I have in my life, I'm going to give you some powerful tools that are going to help you to ditch the shame that does not belong to you, overcome those major obstacles, and step out of that prison and into the freedom that is your spirit of beauty. I have been planning this live event for a long, long time, and it is upon us, and I'm excited. You will be hard-pressed to find another woman on the planet who is more excited, committed, dedicated, and passionate about seeing you get up, dress up, and go and be the bold light on a hill that you know you are called to be. This event right here, Lindapaige Live in June 2024 in Dallas, Texas, is going to be the first of its kind on the planet. You will never have experienced anything like it. And if you are a woman of deep faith, you want to bring your notes, you want to bring your Bible, because I'm going to give you beautiful, godly, scriptural evidence that God does care about what you wear. Whoever you are and wherever you are listening to or watching this message, it is not by mistake. This is not a coincidence. If you are done dressing down and blending into the background, if you are done feeling frumpy and frustrated, if you are done being overlooked and not taken seriously and taking care of everybody else and feeling burnt out and stressed out, if you are done hating shopping and wasting money and time, if you are done with a closet full of clothes yet nothing to wear, this event has your name all over it. Get registered, beautiful. Get yourself to Texas, June 2024, and I'll see you there.